Removing an app from your Slack workspace is crucial for maintaining security and managing integrations. As of late 2025, Slack, now part of Salesforce, makes this process straightforward for admins. First, log into Slack as an administrator via the web or desktop app. Navigate to Menu, then Administration, and select Manage Apps. Find the app you wish to remove, click its name, and select Remove from Workspace. You'll be prompted to confirm the action. A recent graceful removal feature allows you to temporarily pause the app before complete uninstallation, minimizing workflow disruptions. This uninstallation process revokes OAuth permissions and deletes associated data, such as tokens and webhooks. Remember, always review the app's privacy policy before removal. The uninstall process will notify the app developer. Beyond uninstallation, you can also revoke an app's access without fully removing it. This is useful for troubleshooting or temporarily limiting an app's capabilities. To revoke access, navigate to the same Manage Apps page we used for uninstallation. Once there, find the specific app and adjust its permissions. You can toggle individual permissions or use OAuth revoke endpoints in the app settings to terminate its API access. Keep in mind the permission scope. Revoking access will terminate specific permissions, such as channels read or users read, which prevents the app from accessing or sharing that data further. Regarding data handling, Slack retains some logs for compliance purposes, but user data associated with the app is deleted according to GDPR and CCPA standards unless the app stores it externally. In organizations with multiple workspaces, app removal or access revocation is handled per workspace. However, enterprise grids provide centralized management for easier administration. Finally, regularly audit your apps following Slack's 2025 security guidelines to maintain compliance and workspace security.